Ethereum at risk of dropping to $1,500. But is this just the beginning? Let's dive in and find out on Crypto News Today. Please smash the like button on this video, it means the world to us and makes these videos possible. If you are listening on Spotify, please make sure you are following us. Welcome to our comprehensive analysis of Ethereum's critical market position as of March 9th, 2025, where the second largest cryptocurrency faces significant downside risk amid waning demand for spot exchange-traded funds and technical challenges threatening its price stability across the board. Today, Ethereum is trading at $2,100, down 1.42% in the last 24 hours, a level that marks a crucial support zone as it hovers just above $2,000, with experts warning of a potential drop to $1,500 if this floor gives way soon. We're delving into the expert insights behind Ethereum's stagnation, the impact of substantial ETF outflows on Wall Street, and the technical hurdles from the Pectra upgrade's testnet failures, all of which are shaping a precarious outlook for ETH in the immediate future ahead. This analysis comes as Ethereum struggles to reclaim momentum, having shed 47% from its December peak of $4,105, while facing competition from Layer 1 and Layer 2 blockchains that are outpacing it in profitability and adoption today. Ethereum has stagnated around $2,100 over the past few days, a sharp decline from its yearly high of $4,105 in November 2024, reflecting a 45% drop compared to the same period last year as market sentiment shifts noticeably. Data from SoSo Value reveals that Wall Street investors have pulled back significantly, with Ethereum ETFs losing $120 million last week and $335 million the week prior, totaling $455 million in outflows recently. The net inflow for Ethereum ETFs stands at $2,700 million, dwarfed by Bitcoin's $37 billion, highlighting a stark contrast in investor confidence as ETH underperforms other cryptocurrencies since the start of 2024 across multiple metrics consistently. A key factor in this weak inflow trend is Ethereum's lack of staking in ETFs, which prevents investors from earning the 3.25% yield available by staking tokens worth over $73 billion to secure the network, dampening appeal significantly. Expert analysis points to Ethereum's declining profitability, with 2025 network fees at $202 million, trailing behind competitors like Jito, Uniswap, Tron, and Solana, which have capitalized on higher transaction volumes and lower costs this year notably. The Ethereum network faces growing competition from Layer 1 blockchains like Solana and BNB, alongside Layer 2 solutions like Base and Arbitrum, eroding its dominance as developers and users migrate to faster and cheaper alternatives in the current market environment rapidly. Technically, Ethereum's daily chart shows a persistent downward trend since November, dropping from $4,105 to $2,160. Now teetering just above the critical $2,000 support level tested in August and September last year repeatedly. This $2,000 level aligns with the neckline of a triple top pattern formed at 3,416 cents, signaling that a breach could accelerate losses toward $1,500. A psychological and technical floor analysts are watching closely now. The market value to realized value ratio dropping below 1 indicates Ethereum is nearing an undervalued zone, historically a point of recovery in bull markets. Yet bearish momentum persists as the relative strength index and stochastic oscillator remain below neutral levels today. CryptoQuant data shows spikes in ETH accumulation addresses, suggesting institutional buying at $2,100, though this hasn't countered the $82,260,000 in futures liquidations over the past 24 hours, per CoinGlass reports currently. Ethereum's struggle to reclaim $2,200, the lower boundary of a 4-month rectangular channel, points to a potential decline to $1,500 if bulls fail to match selling pressure from bears in the coming hours or days ahead. The Pectra upgrade setbacks on the Holsky and Sepolia testnets, including a chain split due to configuration issues, have heightened bearish sentiment, delaying improvements like account abstraction and a staking cap increase from 32 to 2,048 ETH soon. Developers plan a shadow Holsky fork to test Pectra features, aiming to finalize the network before the mainnet upgrade, but these delays have eroded confidence, contributing to Ethereum's weak price action as it lingers at $2,100 this morning steadily. Bitcoin surged to $91,651, driven by Trump's tariff delay on March 6th, contrasts sharply with Ethereum's woes as the broader market gains 2% while ETH lags, underscoring a divergence in investor appetite across the crypto space today. President Trump's executive order on March 6th, establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve with seized assets, hasn't extended to Ethereum, leaving its reserve inclusion uncertain as the White House Crypto Summit today may prioritize Bitcoin over altcoins like ETH potentially further. The lack of staking in ETFs, yielding 3.25% on $73 billion of staked ETH, limits institutional interest, with experts noting that competitors like Solana offer more attractive returns and scalability in the current market landscape clearly. If Ethereum holds above $2,850 with a daily close, the bearish thesis could be invalidated, potentially pushing it toward $3,000, though current momentum suggests a tougher road ahead without a significant catalyst emerging soon. This critical juncture for Ethereum at $2,100 reflects a confluence of technical weakness, ETF outflows totaling $455 million, and Pectra upgrade delays, all pointing to a possible drop to $1,500 imminently. While Bitcoin's $37 billion ETF inflows dwarf Ethereum's $2.7 billion, the top altcoins' undervalued MVRV below 1 hints at accumulation, yet bearish signals dominate as $2,000 support teeters on the edge today precariously. The White House Crypto Summit today could shift Ethereum's trajectory if reserve inclusion or ETF staking emerges, but without such news, experts foresee a decline to $1,500 as selling pressure outweighs buying interest in the short term ahead. Well, monitor these developments closely on Crypto News Today, delivering expert insights as Ethereum's price tests this crucial $2,000 support. So please share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for our next update on this unfolding story shortly. Thank you for joining us on Crypto News Today for this in-depth analysis, and we look forward to providing more authoritative breakdowns of the crypto market's most pressing moments as they continue to evolve over the coming days and weeks into the future.